Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hannalei Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Stingrays. This is my third visit to their campus for this school year and my final one for 2025-2026. But had another great afternoon with the AM/PM students and staff right here in the MPR. And we revisited the topic on leadership. The sub-theme was passion to purpose. And when we're talking about our passion, it's what we love to do, our gifts, our skills, our abilities, what we're good at. And already at a young age, we can start using that, using our passions to go and help others. And that becomes our purpose, right? Why we're even here on this planet. And I wear this shirt for this particular assembly, the peace sign, multicolored, because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? Some of us lead with our voice. We're more loud leaders, vocal leaders like myself. I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet leaders, that quiet strength. We just lead by example through our actions. There's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive for this world. Knowing that even one small act of kindness, compassion, whatever it is, inclusion, can make a difference, right? And this means that we start to prioritize what really matters in our life, what's really important, that it's people first, things second. And we always have that question burning in our minds, which is, what are we doing for others, right? Not just us, but what are we doing for the people around us? What are we doing for, our community, trying to make our school, where we live, where we interact, a better and brighter place? And this ties into our legacy. We talked about that component too, which is what you want to be remembered for, right? Hopefully like someone's helping hands and like a bowling ball. One of the slides from the presentation today you see here on the screen, and I compare people to bowling balls and balloons. And someone that is a bowling ball has that strong character, like they talk about here, the Hannalei way, right? Being respectful, kind and caring, responsible. They really have a strong foundation, good morals, good values. If the peer pressure comes along to do something negative, they're going to be able to say no, have the courage to stand up for what's right. And they're going to also do the right thing even when no one's watching. Someone, conversely, who is a balloon, kind of airy, they float wherever they feel like it. They don't really have that strong backbone, the ability to stand up for what's right. And in the face of peer pressure, yeah, they might just fold, right? So of course we want to be like a bowling ball. And we know that if we can keep always trying to include others, to be the leaders that this world desperately needs, to shine our light like shining stars, then we're going to make the needed difference and impact that we're all capable of making. That also ties into the life lesson that I bring up in every session where I speak, because it's so important to me, but the fact that we're all true miracles, right? I traced that on my hand. Some of the students had theirs traced too. And that M stands for miracle. The lines on our hands, upside down, W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, once we truly believe it in our hearts, the heart shape here too with the peace sign that I wear for this particular program, right? Then we can go and start being that light to someone else's heart, right? Out in this world. Help those that might not believe this, have never been told this, that might need a reminder. We can reflect that to them, right? And that's really what today's message was all about, that I was trying to impart and impress upon the young hearts here today. I think they really got that. Some of them shared some of their pain with me afterwards, some of the connections that they had from the assembly, and that means that something's hitting home. So I love seeing that type of feedback. You've all touched my heart. I hope to see you again in the future. Have a great rest of the school year for now, though. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.